I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save panels or elements into your personal area so you can use that item again on other pages or even other websites in the same account. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I'm in the Cheetah editor, and I've got a couple of items on my website already, including a button. Now this is the normal button style that I like to do. I like to do blue buttons, I like rounded corners, so I really like this style of button and I would use it over and over again. So I can actually add this element into my personal area where I could access it again to add to other pages or other websites. So to do that, all I need to do is click on the item, and then I'm going to right click, and that takes me to the style settings. I need to go to the advanced settings, and from there I can actually click save element. So I'm going to go ahead and name my element. So I'm going to call it button with shadow, and then I'm going to click save as default element, and it's showing that I'm saved here, and now it should add that element to my personal area. So let's go ahead and jump into the personal area. So I'm going to click personal, and then I'm going to go into elements, and you can see that I've got a button here. If I click that button, it says button with shadow. So all I have to do is click and drag, and I can add that button again because it's pre-made. So I can add it to any page or even any website that I have in my account. The same thing goes for panels. So if I scroll down here, I have a panel that I really like the design of, and I want to reuse this design in other pages or other websites. So I can click on the panel and then right click on the panel. And I need to go to settings and advanced. And then here I can just name what the panel is. So I'll put in panel with yellow mobile. So panel with yellow mobile, and then I'll click save as default element. And it's going to save that item for me. And I'll get a little message at the bottom that'll tell me that it's saved. There we go. We got that message. And now it's going to be in my personal area. So I can go to personal. And this time I'm going to go into panels. And when I go into panels, I've got available panels that are personalized. And there's our panel with yellow mobile. So I can add that in as another panel if I want to. All I do is click the plus button on any page or any other website, and it will add that panel in because it's saved to my personal area. So that's how you save panels and elements into your personal area so you can reuse them on other pages or even other websites inside your account. And have fun building amazing websites with Cheetah.